Hi everyone, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. I am back again and will start posting videos regularly. From this video, we will learn how we can use data binding with RecyclerView, and we will follow the MVVM architecture while making our RecyclerView. If you want to learn about MVVM in detail, then I have a link given in the description that will take you to the Complete MVVM course. In this course as well, we are going to follow a lot of things like coroutines, retrofit, navigation, live data, and many more things that we use in MVVM architecture. Because for this project also, we are going to use the MVVM architecture. So let's begin. In this video, we will not code anything, but we will just set up our project and will add all the required dependencies. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to create a new Android Studio project. And while creating the Android Studio project, you need to select the empty activity. So what you are seeing right now is a blank Android Studio project. And I have just added some dependencies. So the first thing that you need to do after creating the project is go to build.gradle file, that is your module app. And here you need to enable data binding that you need to do inside this Android block. So first we will enable the data binding. And then we will also add the Kotlin KAPT plugin and the navigation safe arcs plugin. So we will add these two lines. We will enable data binding, and inside the dependencies block, we will add retrofit and JSON, Kotlin coroutines, view model and live data, the new material design, the codent dependency injection framework, and finally the Android navigation architecture. So we need all these things. One more thing we need, and that we will add in coming videos, is the image loading library, and we are going to use the glide library for it. But for now, we need just these things. And after this, we need to go inside this build.gradle, which is the project level build.gradle file. And here we need to add this class path, that is again the navigation safe arguments class path, and rest of the things are okay. Finally, you need to go inside this gradle.properties, and here you need to enable the data binding v2. So you need to write android.databinding.enable v2 equals to true. Don't worry, you don't need to write all the things. You can get my source code. The link to the source code is given in the description of this video, and from there you can copy paste all the things. So after doing all these things, sync your project. And one more thing that you need to do is go to styles.xml and change dark action bar to no action bar, and change this app compat to material components. So we are going to use the new theme, that is the new material design. So our project is set up, and now we can use this API. This is the API that we will use for the data of our RecyclerView. And you can also use the same API. So we will use this API, we will fetch the data, and we will display it in the RecyclerView with the help of data binding. So all these things we will start from the next video. So that is all for this video, friends. If you think this video is helpful and this series is going to be helpful for you, then please hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. This is Bilal Khan, now signing off.